Welcome back to QuickHub for Beginners. So far, you've set up QuickHub and created a campaign, connected your channels. You're doing great. Now it's time to unlock one of QuickHub's most powerful features, automation. Think of automation as your marketing on autopilot. Do you ever catch yourself doing the same task over and over, like manually sending welcome emails to every new customers or always posting happy holidays on message on social media every year? With QuickHub, we can set those up to happen automatically, so they work while you sleep and you get more time in your day.
All right, let's jump in. We're starting from the QuickHub's dashboard and then click See All. One place, full control. Now you select the Invite Review email campaign. Here you will have to name the campaign, the template, and you will see a pre-made template ready for you in the email content. And before anything goes out, there's a preview if you want. You can see exactly how the email looks. Moving on. Now you will have to select the specific contacts from the list. One click on Send Now, and that's it. Without lifting a finger, the campaign is live. And just like that, you will see the status switches to Send. From here, you can open the campaign and check all the details anytime.
I encourage you to log into QuickHub after this video and set up one automation. The interface will guide you, and you've got this video as a reference. It's one of the things that mentions as you do it. You'll think, why didn't I do this earlier? Because of the time and energy it saves. In our next and final episode, we'll talk about using QuickHub on the go, the mobile apps, so you can keep an eye on these campaigns and automations even when you're out and about. Because life doesn't get slowed down, and neither should your marketing. If you found today's tips helpful, please give this video a like and share it with another business owners or marketer who could use some time savings tips. And of course, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you won't miss the grand finale of the series. Until next time, simplify your marketing and amplify your lives.